I'm excited to introduce you to Promethean's new whiteboard, featuring the industry's leading natural writing experience. It sits ready for you to walk up and access easily by clicking and opening your whiteboard. With our pen and touch differentiation, we create a natural annotation and movement. In addition to that pen and touch differentiation, we also allow for you to be able to do palm erase as well. That pen and touch differentiation allows us to have a different level of collaboration at the panel. Oftentimes, we're looking for manipulatives to bring into our teaching experience, and we have that easily accessible from our gallery. So I'm able to select an image, place it within my whiteboard, and with that pinch and zoom feature, I can resize any image to fit my teaching needs, and now I have a repository to pull from. So that different level of collaboration looks a little bit like having someone annotate while someone else is able to move and manipulate those objects. Those tools allow you to easily work together. As you move through your instructional path, you're going to be looking for more tools. Maybe you need backgrounds. They're easily accessible. For example, here's our writing background, or maybe we need grid paper. If I have grid paper, I'm going to want math tools, and they are simple to locate as well. Pull out our math tools. Here's my ruler. We've kept our rulers interactive. They're not just objects, so that I can annotate and I can easily manipulate. And don't forget, we still have a protractor that allows me to do that simple fill. With more and more content becoming readily available through a browser, you may want to screen capture, where now your content is easily manipulated and ready for you to be able to annotate. Now that you've learned how to use some of those math tools, let's put them to use. I'm going to go ahead and select my gallery, and I'm going to choose an image, and then I'm going to select my math tool, my protractor, and we're going to go ahead and measure the angle of this beak right here. Let me go ahead and do a quick feel. Imagine, though, I want to give my students a more challenging picture to work with. I have something called infinite space. Notice there's a window that pops up on the top right corner that allows me to navigate that infinite space. And then I can easily access my gallery again and choose a more challenging image. Wow, now that's a challenge.